let's get back into it. We are in HTML structured table div spans, and we're going to be making a clickable photo page. So, some photos on your table. I know, first thing notice right here is that there's Stylesheet .css, cascading Stylesheet, and this is going to be slightly changing how our HTML looks and is generated. So, and the way you do it right here is link type text / CSS Stylesheet hrefs. You know, you'll get it in a second. So we're going to create a table within the body. So in here we have table, and then we want to put end table with 3 table rows. So tr / tr, and then tr / tr, and then tr / tr. So those are our table rows. Alright, looks like we got a little something here, probably from the style sheet. But add 3 table cells per row to get a total of 9 cells, and so that's the TD. So, so in each one of these, we want to add the TD / TD, and in the instance of time, we're just going to copy foster this in there, and copy foster this in there, and same thing here. So we're going to have, and then same thing here. Alright, cool. So we're basically laying down the groundwork for our table. So we now need to create our table head. So there's our table head. And what do we want to call this? We'll call this skill set. Alright. Oh, it's in our table head. Forgot to declare. You can have more than one header. So there we go. Alright, insert an image between each set of TD. Oh my god. So let's get an image. What do we want? We did ninjas, let's do cats. Size, and we want icon size. Here we go. Now we will copy the image URL. Let's get back to what we were doing. And in here we are going to set between the table cells, each one of the table cells we want to make a little something. So image src is equal to and don't forget, of course, to do the ending slash. Alright, and just in the instance of time, so that we don't just kill ourselves by having to do this so many times, we will just be doing it again and again and again. And so you see we have now our 3 rows and 3 columns of our cats pictures, and then wrap each image tag in the link above. So now we want to wrap a image equal to Google, or how about we do this, cats.com. We're going to close it, and then this one, and we close it outside. So bam, this one isn't clickable, neither is this one. And then we're going to just go ahead and do the same for right here. And then one more time for right here. And then about 7 more times here. And we'll go ahead and do it there. Okay. Hopefully we didn't skip one or mess up on one. We'll have to work through this, but I typically like to have one HTML tag just because that's kind of how I've always done it with coding. But you can see how all of a sudden you're going through quite an amount of lines of code. So you can do whatever you want basically. Alright, so looks like you don't have enough links. Okay, so let's see here. We have 1, and then it closes. We have 2, and then it closes. We have 3, and then it closes. We have 4, and then it closes. We have 5, and then it doesn't close. Okay. Let's see if that was our error. Nope. We have 6. Oh. Now we have 6. Let's see if that was our error. Bam! So there we go. 9 links. And now you basically saw what we were trying to do here. We made a clickable photo page. So here we are. We have our skill set table header, and you can see that the style sheet is just giving us a little bit of basic style. Without this and without customizing it further, this is what it would look like. So what are we doing next? Oh, and of course share, as always. Next up, we're going straight into CSS and overview. So we 26 sections of this, and it looks like we're going to be doing puppies. They should have made it cats, but we'll let that slide. And you can see style sheet right here. It's getting very in depth. So for the image, it's going to have a default image, height, width, a shadow, resets RGB. So a lot of stuff, list, how much to the left and what the paragraph should be. So this is all just styling for different things, buttons, for the bold, all that sort of stuff. So lots of cool stuff you can do with CSS, and we'll be getting started on that in the next video.